Sakay tayo dyan.
The best views here.
Best view is here. This part of the castle, no? Fortress is facing the sea. Ang ganda. We're here.
Because Dubrovnik wasn't free, but at the same time, the Dubrovnik Republic was enjoying the protection of the Ottoman Empire, which meant that every year, the Dubrovnik people
Kaya pala hindi nagagalaw to kasi protectorate ng Ottoman pala to.
Empire was their freedom. Because the Dubrovnik Republic was the only Christian country which was allowed to trade with the Ottoman Empire without any further tax.
Galing ah. Protectorate pala siya.
Protect your money.
It was tribute to exactly. Yes.
It was the Dubai of medieval.
Yes. Dubrovnik was like Dubrovnik was if you watch the show Game of Thrones, Dubrovnik was like Tyrion Lannister. Very small, rich, and very clever.
They play with everybody.
With everybody, do them.
Friends of everyone.
Exactly. Middleman. Right. Like Venetians. The Venetians were the biggest enemies. Yes, it is the same. Same. Anyway, as you proceed, just one more stop, and we will finish the tour, okay? Just around the corner, nice. And again, it's nice to recognize when you seriously approaches the red gate, she basically comes from the arch, like before traveling. Please watch out for the car.